In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermarks in Word. If you want to place a watermark on your document, whether it's something like draft, confidential, or a subtle background label for branding, Word makes the process very quick and easy. A watermark appears behind the main text of your document, so it stays visible without getting in the way of readability. This can be useful for work documents, internal files, templates, or any document that needs an extra layer of visual identification. To get started, open the Microsoft Word app and then open the document where you want to add the watermark. If you're creating a new document, you can do that first and then apply the watermark afterward. The nice thing is that the watermark can be added at almost any stage, so you don't need to wait until the document is finished. Once your document is open, look toward the top of the screen for the main toolbar. From there, click on the Design tab. This section contains several formatting and page appearance options, and it's where Word places the built-in tools for changing the overall look of your document. After you click on Design, move your attention to the right side of the toolbar and click on Watermark. This will open the watermark options available in Word. Depending on your version of Word, you may see a menu with preset watermark styles that you can apply right away. These presets are helpful if you want something standard and professional without having to customize anything. When you choose a watermark, Word will place it in the background of your pages automatically. This means it should appear behind your text rather than covering it. If you don't immediately notice it, try switching to Print Layout View, since watermarks are usually easiest to see there. A helpful tip is to review your document after adding the watermark, especially if you have images, tables, or colored backgrounds. In some layouts, the watermark may look more or less visible depending on the design of the page. If needed, you can return to the watermark menu to adjust your choice. And that's it. Open the Microsoft Word app, go to the Design tab and click Watermark on the right side to apply it to your document. It's a simple feature, but it can make your files look more organized, more official, and easier to identify at a glance.